Happy Monday. What's good? I missed y'all. Where y'all been? It's more like where I been. Mind your business. Anyway, y'all hear them birds? Anyway, I'll digress. So today I wanted to make a video about another practice that I've been practicing myself, and something I learned long ago growing up in Mississippi, and I wanted to share with you today because I'm out here. Anyway, so that practice today I want to talk about is gardening. Now, some of us may think, gardening? Really? A practice? Look, let me explain it to you. Here's the thing, gardening is very much a practice because it takes effort to learn to garden. That may mean knowing what plants you may have in your area, what you can grow in your area, when you can grow it in your area, what you need to utilize in order to do it. So there's a lot of research that could be involved in it, and that means sometimes you have to talk to other people who do it as a practice or just do gardening in general. And you just actually have to go and do it. Now, got to be clear about it. Just like any other practice or any other thing that we may do, sometimes you're going to fail at it, and that's a lesson. But I think too often some of us may think, I failed at it, I'm not good at it. But we have to take time to like actually be good at it. And so failures in this case, and in many cases, is a good lesson to learn. Because from that lesson you may learn, I shouldn't do that, or I may have to take more time to do this, or I didn't water my plants enough, so I need to take a little bit more effort to be able to grow these beautiful things. Now, along with gardening, and what gardening may also teach us, is that it may be a window of how we may actually have to engage and interact with other people. And so sometimes with other people, you got to show them a little bit more love, right? You have to put a little bit more effort into it. You may have to do a little more research. Sometimes people don't need that uh, love from you or as much love. So you may get a plant that doesn't need to be watered every day, and you may get a plant that needs to be watered every day. So gardening can also be a good window or pathway to help us to learn to grow and to be with other people in love and care and generosity. Now, at the end of that, we may get to enjoy the fruits of our labor. You may get to eat out of your garden, or you may get to see the beautiful plants that you grow. And in the future, that person that you may have put a little love and honest and accountability and all the other beautiful things into may one day flourish into a beautiful sunflower. And they may not, or they may blossom a little later because you got to go back in and work it out. So gardening can be a beautiful way of one helping us to foster our own sense of care and taking time to be with a plant, listen to a plant, look at it. Did it grow this week? I'm not sure. Maybe it did. Maybe it need a little bit more fertilizer. Maybe I need to do a little bit more research about that. But in general, gardening and growing things can be a beautiful way to help us to grow with other people and to teach us some practices that we may use when we're interacting or engaging with other human beings. So, I'm continuing to practice my gardening and growing with other people. It's a beautiful thing because when we grow with other people, we also grow in ourselves because we can learn from those lessons that we are practicing in our daily life. So, that's my video today, gardening as a practice. So, next time you out there, think about how can I use this when I'm thinking about other people. I might need a little bit more patience. Maybe need to do more research. Maybe they need a little bit more watering. Or hell, maybe I just need to leave them alone today. It could work, but you gotta practice. So, as always, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll holler at y'all when I holler at y'all. Peace.